Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x8007054F while trying to update Windows to the latest version, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Now I'll explain what the script does. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in catroot 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and it will restart services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.